dude, is this the cage for bot?
No!
You okay? Hello? Don't be a fucking poser, dude.
You wanna go drive some cars?
Okay, you guys, in case that intro didn't make it obvious enough, I sent a Clover Cage equipped with an HD0 Freestyle 2 over to Botgrinder for him to bash around and try out on his channel, and the video just dropped, so together we are going to watch Botgrinder's newest video called You Could Put FPV on Anything. Let's get it. What the fuck was that? Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh my actual fuck, I went for the gag way too hard. Oh, man. I'm gonna drink some water, even though apparently it doesn't do anything. My wife is a speech pathologist, and she told me drinking water doesn't do anything to your vocal cords. It goes down a different tube. Hope I didn't ruin that for you, but she ruined it for me, so. Anyway, let's watch this damn video. Okay, you guys, so there's a whole first part of this video where Bot takes like the canopy of an HD0 whoop and puts it on top of a rally car that I'm going to skip because it is not about me. Please go over to his channel if you want to watch the full video. The link is in the description below. Yep.
All right, y'all. Well, this is pretty fun doing FPV cars, but I don't think I have the skill set to make it proper. You know what I mean? I think I'm. Wait, hang on. What's this? I gotta call him.
Oh, it's me. It's me.
Oh, it's Bad Luck. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Hey, Botgrinder, I heard that you were trying to FPV a rally car.
Yeah, but I'm having like a lot of trouble getting it to work properly. Wait, how do you know that I'm doing that? I'm currently in the middle of filming this video. What's going on?
Not the Amazon bot. There it is. That's the box.
You son of a bitch. I'm in. Do not use
You
sharp.
son of a bitch.
Oh, it looks like old Bad Luck FPV has sent me a little care package here. Now he runs this company called Clover Systems, and it's pretty neat. It's like a little modular FPV system, so you can basically take here. I'll show you. So this is the car for it. It's a modular FPV system. You can go between car and quad, dude. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool if you don't want to buy a whole bunch of cameras for all of your
Bot in the
quad
chat says just Clover.
Okay. So this is the modular camera system. I'm going to show you a little bit more about it, but I just want to show you this real quick. It's a little modular camera system. You got a little drone you can put it on. More importantly, you got a little RC car you can put it on. Okay, yeah, this is much better than that little rally car, dude. Just the suspension alone on this and these big ass tires, I have a feeling this is going to be much smoother. Okay, well, I did find the perfect spot. However, the bad thing about choosing today to do this video is
with the camera pass?
Snowing. Despite this freaking horrible weather, I got a good spot. I got a good spot for us to go to today. It's an abandoned, I'm pretty sure it's an abandoned pump track. You know what pump track is? It's like where you take your bicycle and you don't got a pedal. There's like little whoop-de-doos and stuff. You kind of just pump it the whole time for your speed. I rode bikes there like this summer, and it was super overgrown. Like there was holes in the fence. It looked like you could get right in. Nobody's upkeeping it. It was just overgrown with shrubbery and stuff. Hopefully for me, that son of a gun is still abandoned, and we can play with the little RC car. Hopefully for everybody in the neighborhood, it's not abandoned, so they can use it. Well, I guess I could still break in if it's not abandoned. Whatever. Okay, there's some good news and there's some bad news. The good news is we've made it over here to the pump track. The bad news is it's pretty fucking fenced off. I don't think it's abandoned like it was last year. Last year I rode my bike behind it. There's like a little mountain bike trail. I was riding behind it. I was like, oh damn, there's a pump track and there's holes in the fence to get in and everything. I don't think there's any holes this time. So here's what we're gonna do. Since that's a park, it's like way over there. I have to park a little ways from it. I'm gonna make sure this damn truck works first. And as
Oh,
long as the
Lambo
RC
is
car
in the
works
chat.
fine,
What's
then
up,
we'll take the hike
Lambo?
all the way over there and see if we can't find a way to sneak into the pump track or something. The snow's like coming down, dog. I don't really want to stand outside.
Drive
so
it in the snow. It's so fun in the snow.
LRS. I'm gonna see if I can just whip the truck around from inside my truck and not even have to get outside and stand in the stupid snow.
Dude, just stay in
Well,
this
so
truck.
far so good. I got video.
Look at that, look at that.
I got steering. We got throttle. Oh shit.
Oh, the picture looks
Oh,
so
look at me
good.
drifting
Big
in the
ups
snow. Oh, this video
to
is
Flying
so much
Sticks,
better
by the
already
way, who set
than
this
that
up.
freaking drift card one. Oh, I lost telemetry. Uh-oh. Oh, well, I lose
What happened?
telemetry. Oh, man, I was just having... Oh, I got it back. Okay, is it because I'm out of the van here?
That's weird.
Is it because it's super cold? This is going very slow.
ELRS does
acting
act
funny.
kind of cold. Or
It's acting funny. Oh, crap.
my throat
Maybe
is
it's not
still messed up.
waterproof.
ELRS does
Damn it.
act
I
kind
gotta
of weird
say,
in
the
the
video
snow.
on this is really nice, man. Like, real damn clear video. All right, so the trail's over here to the right. Let's see how far we can go. Hopefully ELRS isn't going to be what stops us. I think we can just... Nope, we're going to have to go between it. Did I lose? Okay, I'm just going to go backwards. I don't want to jump in and have to get out of the van already because
Yeah, throttle out.
All right, let's go. Here's the trail over here. I feel like on a drone, ELRS can go so far. Why wouldn't it be able to go so far on a truck? Oh,
I love
sick.
this view.
All right, we're
I
doing
love
this,
it.
dog. See, my goal, okay, the goal is to go all the way around this little tennis court or whatever and back. Let's see what we got. Oh, we're getting stuck a little bit.
Oh, no.
Okay, dude, no, I don't want to fucking walk. No, are you kidding me? Okay, we're gonna give this another go, but this
Oh,
time
no,
I'm
you had to
sticking to
reset.
the trail. When I went over there and I got it, yeah, and I was like totally stuck in some really like thick grass. It just wrapped around the wheels, but it looks like there's a path. As long as I stick all the way to the left right here, and I don't go too crazy, I should be able to go all the way around. That's the goal. Go all the way around the tennis court and back without having to get out and go get the stupid car because it's cold out and I don't want to get out and go get the stupid car. ELRS so far doing okay. ELRS doing okay so
Doing
far.
a range check. Come on, man. You got to bash it.
Yeah, that's where I was trying to go. Just the others. No, you.
I get it,
Yeah,
though.
cover
That,
that.
this thing
But
is
can
so
we
much
turn
better
around with, like, no
off-road than that rally
and
car
make
would
it
be.
back?
That Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'm all the way at the end of this fence. I'm not walking that far. But what we're gonna do right now? Do you remember that curb? Do you remember that curb?
Humble
I was like, oh, this is a
Monster
cool
said,
jump.
hell yes.
Yeah, we're gonna jump off that in FPV because what I'm gonna try to do is do a backflip in FPV.
Oh.
Because Bad Luck said, hey, you can do that on these shits, and that sounds super tight.
Yeah,
So
dude,
where's that curb?
backflip
Let's
it.
find the curb.
I want to
Is that
see
the
him
curb?
bash
There's
it.
the
That's why I
curb,
send
alright.
it to
I'm
Bot.
gonna do a backflip. I just kind of full throttle, and then that's with the throttle. All right, let's do it. Oh my God, did I do it? Holy
was
shit,
so
I almost did a
close, dude.
backflip,
That
bro.
was
That's
so
so
close.
sick. Okay. The coolest thing to do.
Botgrinder
with the FPV
says,
car. Oh,
I have to
are
send
you
this car back
fucking
soon, but should I
joking
film
me,
a part 2
You
and
better
actually
turbo
do
mode
it
your ass
justice?
over. I'm not getting out
Yes,
of this
Bot.
fucking van.
Yes, dude. Just
Yo,
take it out
what?
and
Yo,
bash the
what?
shit out of
FPV
it, please.
backflips. FPV backflips are so sick. That's what
Lambo
I'm
said
doing the rest
yes.
of the pack. Oh, fuck. Uh-oh. Yeah. The FPV stopped working.
I don't know.
and
What
the car
happened?
stopped working. I think I broke it. Well, shit, I guess that's going to do it for today. It stopped working.
What
I think
happened
that
to it?
battery's probably dead as it's going on, and I can't change the battery out. I wanted the balance lead to stay in here, so you see I put it into that little hole, and I tightened that screw so
That's
it
not
couldn't
what
come
that's
out. And
for.
I didn't bring a driver. I'm a fucking dummy. I didn't bring a driver.
Oh, Bot says that it works
Thanks,
again,
Bad
though.
Luck, and with Cloverfield Systems for sending me that.
Clover
FPV
FPV.
cars are pretty fun. You should try it. If you want to hit up Cloverfield and get that little modular
Clover
system, I'll
FPVs.
put a link in the description. Or if you just want to get a tiny hoop and Velcro it on like I did, don't do that. You should do something a little bit. Don't do it as janky as me. Also, I don't know if doing it like in the middle of a blizzard is a good idea either. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I have a Patreon, so if you want to give me money, I'll do more cool RC and FPV
Bot's so
adventures.
great. He
I also have
corrected
videos where
himself.
things
It's
went a lot
Clover
better because it
FPV
wasn't
systems.
freezing cold and I didn't break everything. To be clear, I'm gonna go home and fix this truck and play this some more. So maybe there'll be another video on it. Okay,
Yeah,
promise
hell
next
yeah,
time will be
dude.
better. Bye.
That was so much fun. It is so incredibly fun for me to watch other people like get into the system and like get into it and like start exploiting the capabilities of the system and like really like putting it through like the extremes that it can do. It's so much fun and so gratifying. And he just like barely scratched the surface. I really hope that he does make another video. And like keep it for as long as you want, Bot. I need more people. I'm like the only person that has like sent a car like that as hard as I have, I swear. If anybody else knows of other people that are like bashing like this, send them my way. But like, I want more people to experience the Clover Cage on like an RC basher or on a race course because it's so much fun. I have so many videos coming up that really go into all of that, like all of the experiences that I have with the H16BM. I have a timeline that has 9 hours of raw footage of me driving the H16BM because it just bashes and bashes and bashes and bashes. So many different ways that I've driven it on a bunch of different stuff. I have videos coming out of it on this. I actually upgraded my H16BM to have metal parts. I'm gonna put a video out on that. Here is my adaptation of the Traxxas Slash rear wheel drive. This is for spec races. I'm adapting the RMX MST, so it's gonna be drift car compatible too. And you guys, all you have to do is just like take a chassis and figure out a way to hard mount the camera in there. And then that way you're not up on the roof shaking around like a leaf anymore. I want more people. I want more people. Please, please join the fold. Please get a Clover Cage and start bashing and share your videos with me. It was so fun to see Bot do it, and I want to see you guys do it too. I also want to see Bot do it again. Bot, please do it again. Go out, build a race course, build some ramps or something, and get after it, dude. It's so exciting to see somebody else enjoying the system. If you want to see another person enjoying the system, please go over to Flying Sticks channel. He posted a video about getting that Clover Cage ready for Botgrinder. And there's going to be a video on my main channel as well soon about the H16BM and my whole experience with it. Please head over to cloverfpvsystems.com to make your purchases. We are running a sale right now because Botgrinder kindly refused my offer for an affiliate link, and so I'm passing the savings on to you. Anyway, use code BOTDECLINED when you make your purchase, at least for a little while after this video comes out, to get 10% off of your order. And if you decide that you like what I'm doing, please make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel and consider supporting us on Patreon. I have so much content coming up soon, you guys. Please, please get on it, get after it. I love you. Please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't yet, and make sure that you're subscribed below. Obviously, go over to Botgrinder's channel as well and give his video a thumbs up, and make sure that you're subscribed there too, especially if you want to see more videos. And I promise next time will be better. Bye.
Big thank you to Alex, Barndoor Gap FPV, Randy Corder twice for some reason, Will Cooper, Birdman FPV, Coco Nono, Sinclair Dino, and a big thanks to our $20 tier 4th Leaf patron, Douglas Cottrell. Thank you guys so much.